Hello, everybody.
Hello.
I think I just won Zoom tic-tac-toe. Which means I have 3 subsequent Zoom meetings back to back to back. If that wasn't.
Despite all of the technical issues as well.
I mean, if we can get to 11 after, I will be. I only had 1 crash last time, so.
Yeah, we had endless crashes earlier today, and then nothing on the Alpha Omega one.
You know what's weird? I crashed and I thought that it was everybody, but I came back and.
Yeah, maybe it was just a Zoom problem and Zoom fixed it. I don't know. I'm hoping it's fixed. That's my hope.
Well, we're already 5. We're already 5 past. We should start. Maybe this will be an early meeting. Grab some more coffee. Welcome everybody. We do not have any new members. Are there things that we would like to talk about? So, well, are there things that we would like to talk about?
I have to drop a little early, so I would love to go first and just give a quick update that I did spend some time on the security reviews repo and have a list of action items to make some updates to it. I captured them in the notes here. I did run into an error again. I'm going to try doing some debugging, but in case I can't figure it out, maybe at one of our next meetings, we could just go over it as a group really quickly. And but progress is finally being made. Thank you, everyone, for your patience on that. And yeah, I'll have more updates for the group probably in the next meeting or 2.
Awesome. Let's see. Disclosure check. Update there is repo has been moved over to OSSF. Disclosure check. Big thing I want to just get done the next week or 2 is just more testing. I want to feel good that what it says is the same thing that a human would find out by manually looking. I do need to repoint the PyPy. So let's see.
Sorry.
Gotcha.
The joys of simul editing.
Yeah. So protection improvements and PyPy package and Docker package completion. Yeah, dashboard. Jay, love to hear about.
Yeah, Jay, I was going to put you on the spot because you've actually got things are going. So.
Yeah, so we I mean, another great call here last week. We got Michael Hart that's he's jumped in and has done a great survey to figure out what all users actually want to see and all that kind of stuff. Raul has been wonderful on the back end. And Mike has talked about hiring a contractor. So a contractor is set to start this week. That'll be working on some front end type stuff. There was a promise that was made that by a couple of weeks, I want to say, I think we said give them another month on it. I'd like to under promise and over deliver on this, so I'm going to say maybe another month. But we should have something to show from Raul's back end work, and then of course this new contractor's front end work, and then utilizing the data that came out of Mike's survey. We should be able to show you something that's pretty
Awesome.
exciting in the form of the dashboard, right? But we've been hard at work. Things have been a little slow, but not slow because we're working slow because we're taking the time that's needed to be taken in order to make sure that we get this right.
Love it. Love it. I'm so excited to see.
Yeah, so when I showed up on the meeting, I had no idea about some of those things that were going on myself. So I was going, "Oh, cool! let's share what's going on."
Yep.
So Jay, I hope you don't mind me putting you on the spot there, but this is the kind of spot that I think people are excited to hear about.
Oh no, not at all, not at all. We got some good work going on, and you know what? I'll forget. I don't pat my own self on the back. Not that my back needs to be patted for any particular reason, but the work gets done. As long as the work gets done, I'm not a light shiner on that.
Awesome.
Cool. I don't have too much else. Obviously, we had OpenSSF Day earlier this month. Oh, wait. No, I'm sorry. I do have something important. Next Tuesday, let me find the date. I think it's next Tuesday. We have attack update for yes. Okay, Tuesday the 13th, attack update for this working group. There's a template. Is there anybody that would like to well, how about this? I will take a stab at the content. I will leave placeholders for each of the projects, and I will send that out today. Write it down so I actually do it. And if you could just put in any kind of updates that you have, that would be awesome. You're of course welcome to join at the TAP on Tuesday if you'd like. Otherwise, I can represent, and we'll go from there.
And I think that what we just talked about sounds like excellent fodder for that.
Yes, exactly.
Amir, can you tell us real quick what the mystery problem is, or if there's an issue that we can point to?
Yeah, so I wanted to add a new review that we just published last week, and I thought it would be a good case study, so I did it exactly how the repo tells you to do it. I did the markdown generator, and created a new fork and created the branch, and then did the pull request. So I did it all what I thought was, by the book as I possibly could. And I still failed one of the automated checks.
Huh.
So I want to debug and see if maybe it was something, something wonky happened in the process of me following the process, but or if it might be, might be something that can be done to make it, easier to upload new reviews and stuff like that. So
how's this? If you haven't already filed an issue, file even if it's on yourself, so it's not forgotten. Then we can feedback.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. Let me. Since we're here, I think we can do this kind of real time.
Okay. You know what? If Jay and Jeff Burke don't want to stick around for that part, I'd say I would propose when we close up the meeting, and those who want to stick around for the debug session,
yep,
can do so.
that works. Yeah, you're just missing a dash, and here's what I'd suggest. I'm assuming that you generated the markdown here by hand.
I didn't. No, I used the actual template, the markdown generator.
Then okay, then there's a bug in the template, probably because
I think you're right. It didn't give me it didn't preload it with a dash in front of for reviewer in the reviewer's field.
I wonder why, but that would, I mean, that
would certainly cause it.
Yep.
Rerun.
Yeah, and then it looks like we have some other pull requests that we can probably just merge in.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's not the security MD one doesn't actually have like content, it's just the template. Okay, we've got some stuff to do.
Okay. So we got a ruling. Is it in the Is it in the existing template, or?
I'll need to go back and actually look at the template generator to see why it would ever not. Why it would screw up the dash, but.
Okay.
Yes, and I did create the issue again just to keep track of it.
Where can you put the link in the chat in the notes, or the chat, and I'll copy it into the notes?
Sure thing.
Great, look at that. I have the amazing power of cut and paste. Excellent.
Awesome. All right. Is there anything else that anyone would like to talk about? If not, you'll get 45 minutes back. Be a short meeting this week.
Excellent.
Awesome. Thank you all very much. See you in 2 weeks.
Excellent. Take care.
Adios.
Thank you. Bye.